Are you ready to discover how to get in on the next big crypto token before it explodes on the market? Imagine accessing tokens before they hit major exchanges, where over $320 million in pre-market trading volume has been recorded in 2025. According to The Block, the insane surge in pre-market trading is driven by both retail and institutional interest in early access to new tokens, which can yield substantial profits, but also carries equal volatility and risk. Welcome to BingX. In this video, you'll unlock the secrets of crypto pre-market trading, learn how to trade pre-launch tokens safely, and see why early access is changing the game for investors worldwide. What is crypto pre-market? Crypto pre-markets are specialized venues enabling users to trade the tokens before their official spot listing and get ahead of the broader market. These platforms allow buyers and sellers to negotiate prices and quantities directly, often using secure over-the-counter or OTC structures. For blockchain startups, the platform serves as a launchpad, ensuring liquidity, visibility, and community support from day one. Crypto pre-market trading differs from traditional stock pre-market in that it doesn't refer to fixed early trading hours, but rather to buying tokens before they officially launch on major exchanges, often through decentralized platforms, launchpads, or OTC deals. Unlike traditional pre-market, which runs during specific hours before the stock market opens and is heavily regulated, crypto pre-market is available 24/7 for trading and open to anyone with a wallet. In the first half of 2025, pre-market activity surged, with BingX emerging as a leader, collectively processing tens of thousands of pre-launch token deals. Escrow and collateral requirements are standard, with sellers typically required to deposit up to 100% of the token's value as security. How does pre-market trading work? Pre-market trading begins when a project schedules its token generation event, or TGE. Sellers deposit collateral, which can range from 50 to 100% of the token's projected value, into a secure escrow managed by the platform. Buyers lock in their funds, signaling a firm commitment to purchase. Once the TGE occurs, the platform automatically delivers the tokens to buyers and releases funds to sellers. If sellers fail to deliver, buyers receive collateral as compensation. Centralized and decentralized pre-market platforms. Centralized exchanges such as BingX have streamlined the pre-market process by acting as custodians for both funds and tokens with a rigorous vetting process, making it accessible to a wide range of traders. Decentralized platforms like Whales Market leverage smart contracts to automate transactions, supporting advanced features such as forward contracts and leveraged pre-market trading. In 2025, decentralized pre-market platforms have seen a 40% increase in new user registrations, reflecting a growing demand for peer-to-peer token deals. Step-by-step, trading pre-launch tokens on BingX. Ready to give pre-market trading a go? Here's a simple guide to help you get started with BingX pre-market trading. Step 1. Set up a BingX account and complete advanced KYC verification. If you are not a BingX user yet, remember to register for an account and complete your KYC. Before you can start trading pre-market tokens, make sure your BingX account is fully verified with advanced KYC. This is required to access pre-market trading. Note, users in restricted regions are not eligible. Step 2. Select a pre-market project. Log into your BingX account. On the homepage, go to Spot, then Pre-Market Trading. Browse the list of latest projects and pick one that interests you. For example, you might find World Liberty Financial, or WLFI, listed as an upcoming token to trade. Click on the project to view its details, current buy and sell orders, and other key information. Step 3. Create or take an order. You can trade as either a taker or a maker. As a taker, look through the active buy and sell orders. Find an order that matches your price and amount. Click buy or sell to then confirm your trade. As a maker, you can click create order. Enter your desired price and token amount. Review the details carefully, then confirm to place your order. Step 4. Monitor and manage your orders. You can cancel any unfilled orders anytime in the My Orders section. Once an order is filled, it becomes locked and will proceed to deliver after the token launches. Step 5. Prepare for delivery stage. For sellers, deposit the required tokens into your BingX fund account before the delivery deadline. If the seller fails to deliver, the full collateral for that order will be forfeited. In the case of a partial fill, the portion of collateral corresponding to the undelivered amount will be lost. For buyers, wait for the seller to deliver the tokens. If the seller fails to deliver, you'll receive their collateral as compensation. Note, token amounts might be adjusted based on the project's actual total supply at launch. Always check for updates in BingX announcements. What are the benefits of pre-market trading? Pre-market trading provides early access to tokens, often at prices below their eventual listing value. What are the risks of pre-market trading? Pre-market trading carries several risks, including low liquidity, which can make it challenging to execute large trades. Delivery risk remains a concern as sellers may default, although collateral requirements have compensated buyers in hundreds of cases. Pro tips for secure pre-market trading. For safer trading, use reputable platforms like BingX with strong security records and transparent collateral policies. Stay updated on platform announcements for supply and delivery adjustments, and only commit funds you can afford to lose, as pre-market trading remains highly speculative. Is crypto pre-market trading right for you? Crypto pre-market trading has become a powerful tool for early adopters. In 2025, the sector has grown to represent 0.1% of the total crypto spot market, signaling increasing interest from both retail and institutional traders. However, opportunities in pre-markets come with risks, including volatility and delivery failures. Understanding mechanics and risk is essential to anyone looking to participate in pre-market trading. Learn how to trade pre-market tokens like World Liberty Financial on BingX with this video. Link is in the description. So do you want to explore early token opportunities? With hundreds of tokens launching every quarter and millions in volume, pre-market trading is shaping the next wave of crypto investing. Start your journey with BingX pre-market and learn to trade like a pro before the rest of the market catches up. Subscribe to BingX, like this video, and comment on which tokens you'll like to trade pre-market. See you next time.